I've been out looking at the results of the investment that we've putting into our extra highways work, and it's really impressive to see. We've been out today in particular with the Bobcat team. That's a team that can come in and deal with resurfacing of larger areas of a road. So where a road surface is starting to break up over a bigger area, can come in, and I'm watching them today. They're doing the work that the more manual gangs would do, but they're doing 20, 30 times the work in an hour that the manual gangs would be able to do. So really good to see that investment in action. Behind me we've got a velocity patcher that if you've been driving along and you see a sort of slightly messy resurfacing of a road, that means one of these machines has been along there. It's putting down a layer that again is buying us a few years for a road that we know will need more significant work at some time, but if we catch it early, that investment of a small amount of resource means that we get several years more use from the road. Overall, we've now put a total of £22 million extra just into our roads. That's on top of the £20.7 million that government gave us this year. There's been extra investment in flooding work and in other work around enforcement, particularly around fly tipping. So all of this is starting to really pay off now across the county. It's great to see. And if you see a pothole, make sure you downloaded my Wilts on your phone and make sure you report it, please. If we know where potholes are, and we pick up lots of them anyway, but we don't pick up all of them. So if you report them, get the details to us through the My Wilts app, that means we can get teams out and get them fixed.